Time is running out. Watch carefully if you can find something to brighten your space and stay juiced up all day long. Oh, do you need a guardian to keep you away from strangers? The DLP projector is recommended for use in darker environments and provides better light efficiency and color control with bright 150 ANSI lumen images. It can project up to 114 inch with a projection distance of 1.64 feet to 9.85 feet. Despite its small size, this mini projector has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides 2.5 hours of video on one charge, making it suitable for outdoor use. It supports automatic vertical keystone correction and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to connect your device to your portable home projector wirelessly. The DLP projector lens is more dust-proof and equipped with HDMI and USB ports, making it easy to connect to various devices. This compact and lightweight mini vacuum cleaner is designed for use in cars and trucks. It comes equipped with a HEPA filter and cyclonic force that can handle dirt, debris, and hard-to-reach crumbs, making it perfect for cleaning up ash, dust, food spills, or pet hair. It has a powerful 106W motor and a washable filter for easy cleaning. The vacuum uses the 12V AUX outlet and comes with a 16-foot cord, making it easy to reach the back seat or trunk of a car or clean boats with a 12V cigarette lighter port. These Bluetooth sleep headphones are designed to help you sleep better by allowing you to listen to your music without wearing additional headphones and protecting you from outside noise. They have a built-in microphone and are suitable for use at home, while traveling, or during yoga or meditation. The sleep mask has a bending cartilage design that effectively blocks light and an extra cushion for comfort. The upgraded battery chip provides over 9 hours of playing time and takes 2 to 2.5 hours to fully charge. It has a red light when charging and a blue light when fully charged. These headphones are ideal for frequent flyers and sensitive sleepers who dislike glaring lights. The ComfyLife footrest is a versatile and comfortable solution for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk. It can help alleviate back, hip, and leg pain by reducing pressure on those areas and improving circulation. The footrest is made of high-density memory foam that conforms to the shape of your feet, and it comes with a removable, machine-washable cover. Additionally, the footrest is adjustable and can be used for other purposes, such as knee support or a rocker for your chair. Its lightweight design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. The Big Blue Solar Charger is a portable and lightweight device that comes with triple USB-A ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. It has a highly efficient SunPower solar panel that converts up to 24% of solar power into free energy, and it is durable enough to withstand wear and tear. The charger is suitable for camping or emergency kits, but cannot charge laptops or iPad Pro. The package includes a USB-A to USB-C cable, user manual, and customer service. While the solar panels may be affected by cloud coverage, the charger has an automatic restart function to optimize charging speed. The AirDoctor 3000 air filter has a 3-stage filtration system that includes an Ultra HEPA filter and a dual-action carbon VOC filter to remove allergens and volatile organic chemicals. Its Ultra HEPA filter can remove particles as small as 0.003 microns. It can cover rooms up to 638 square feet and has auto mode and air quality sensors to adjust filtration levels. It is also quieter than traditional air purifiers and can only be used with AirDoctor-made filters. This monocular has a 12x magnification and a 50mm objective lens, providing stable, high-definition imaging and a large field of view. It is lightweight at only 352 grams and has a rubber case with an IPX6 waterproof rating and an anti-slip design. It is durable and tested for fall resistance, making it suitable for outdoor activities like hunting and bird watching. It is easy to use with one hand and comes with a cell phone clip, telescope holder, and dust cloth. It is a great gift for men and a practical tool for camping and hiking. This is a beautiful gift that will be remembered forever. The 3D print technology used creates a realistic mown surface image, which looks stunning when it lights up at night. There are 16 selectable colors and adjustable brightness that can be controlled with a remote or by tapping the night light. The product is safe and reliable, made with food-grade PLA raw material, and has passed MSD-SUN 38.3 certification. AED Lighting offers the best service and guarantees to solve any problems with the product. The recommended sizes are 5.9 inch, 7.1 inch, 7.9 inch. This is a 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser that doubles as a sponge tray to make washing dishes easier. It has a large capacity of up to 8.5 fluid ounces and a leak-free design. The dispenser delivers a fixed amount of soap per pump, making it economical and safe. The product is guaranteed to satisfy customers, and any issues will be addressed. This is a 12-inch phone magnifier screen that provides an ultra-clear viewing experience with 2 to 4 times magnification using new Fresnel lens technology. It blocks blue light to prevent eye strain and is compatible with all smartphones. Its foldable and handheld design is lightweight and portable, with an adjustable stand that offers a multi-angle viewing experience. It is perfect for gaming, social media, and watching videos. The product has an ultra-clear lens, is made of premium quality materials, and comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Thanks for watching. Tell me which of the gadgets you like by commenting in the comment section down below.